What's up, YouTube? This is the cheapest excavator project. It's a rainy day in Seattle. Just introducing my piece of shit here. A little about it. I don't have any experience in heavy machinery, but I wanted to get into it. So I've looked at machines that are like 13,000 in this same size category, but they've been worked to the bone. So justifying paying 13,000 for a machine that I'm gonna have to work on anyway doesn't make sense, because I'm not trying to make money at it. I just want to use an excavator and for a few little projects. And also buying a new machine doesn't make sense because I'm not making money at it, and then I'm gonna be stuck in payments. So I don't like renting machinery because you get so amount of time, and by the time you get efficient at it, it's like your time's up. So bought this piece of shit. Hopefully I can get it going. It's not stuck in my driveway forever, and we're gonna paint it up, make it look like new. Slow process though. Not gonna try to do everything at once, just because I'm gonna try to get some projects done with it, but I don't want it looking like a pile either. So stay tuned and watch the videos, and I'll get this thing up and running. Alright, so just gonna explain here what we got going on. I've probably worked on this a total of 4 hours. Today we're gonna rip this I don't know, makeshift cooling fan off. Somebody thought was a good idea, wiring all that up. It's missing the shroud and the fan. Somebody put a electric fan on this thing, didn't come with one, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. If I'm gonna try to figure out how to make one of those work. The tank's rusted out, so I screwed around with it a little bit trying to get some fuel to the injectors. I found out that the injectors, I can't get fuel to the injectors, and like I said, I don't have any experience on this stuff. I know you gotta crack the lines and turn it over. So what I've I guess come to realize is I think there's a problem in the pump, because I'll crack these lines and I won't even get any anything out of those lines to the injector. So that's where I'm at with the motor so far. I haven't played too much with it or gave it much time. I got the other track off, all set up. I gotta do something with that. I'm gonna pressure wash again today. The mission at hand is pressure washing all the dirt out of here, trying to get some of these levers freed up. I'm gonna get rid of this seat. It should have been just easy bolt on, but I don't know if I can get and see in there. Somebody, let me see. Also not a good cameraman. Somebody welded this, I don't know what kind of shitty seat this was. But they welded that in there, so I gotta cut that off.